In this demonstration, we are going to show you how to install your Streamline Portable iWL250 terminal. To begin, plug your telephone cable into your wall socket. Next, plug the power in at the main supply. At this point, it is important that you place the terminal handset onto the base unit to power up. The terminal will prompt you to place the terminal on the base. Press the green Enter button. The terminal will now assign itself to the base and display Assign to Base Successful message when completed. The terminal will ask you to plug in the telephone line. As we have already done so, press the green Enter button. The next screen will ask whether a dial prefix is required. A dial prefix is used when you need to dial a number to gain an outside line. If you don't require dial prefix and operate on a direct line, press the yellow Clear button to proceed. If you do require dial prefix, press the green Enter button and add the dial value, which is often a 9 in the UK. The next screen will ask if you have call waiting or 1571 answering service. If your telephone line has call waiting or 1571 answering service, press the green Enter button. If not, press the yellow Clear button. Now, key in your merchant number and press the green Enter button. The terminal will connect to Streamline, and a number of communication messages will be displayed. This may take up to 5 minutes to complete, and will include a Successful Installation printout. Installation of your terminal is now complete. The terminal will display the Ready prompt and your merchant number.